Hi everybody, it's Eve back again from Give a Hoot Designs. I'm here today to share with you a birdhouse that I altered. I love the way this turned out. I think it's just gorgeous. The detail of it, I love all of it. So I'll just let you know exactly kind of what I went through. So what I did was I first painted it black, and I did the Elmer's glue technique for the crackle, where you paint it. Well, I painted it black, so you always paint. Your first color is always the darkest, your base. So you paint it, and then you let that dry. Then you add a layer of Elmer's glue, and you let that get a little tacky. And then on top of that, you put your lighter of the two paints that you have. So in my case, I put white, and let that. And then I took it to the heat gun, heated it up, and then it gives you the crackle effect. And then in order to seal it, I had used some matte Mod Podge. So then it came down to the decorating and embellishing. So what I did was I added some gorgeous Venice style lace all around the rooftop, as well as up here. I added some bits and pieces of it. And I have to share like all this lace that I got from eBay. Gorgeous lace. This is like 15 yards worth, and it was like I think $12, so really good price. So there's that one, and then this one here, right here, and then one more, which is the one that I used on this project, is this one here. So super gorgeous, love it all. So actually I have another one here that I'm making. So this is what it looks like before, and I'm going to embellish it today because I want two of them. I have another plan for what I'm going to do for them. Alright, so then I added some pearl trim, like heart-shaped pearl trim that I got from Zenderly here on YouTube. And then this whole entire spray here that you see is from my local dollar store. And I just kind of cut pieces and added them. That was like an Easter themed spray. So I just kind of cut pieces and added them here and there. I added a little vintage girl over there that you can see, and then that little metal embellishment right in there. Sorry, I'm doing it one-handed. There's my other hand. Right there. That was from Butterbee Scraps, and she's in BC and I'm in Canada, so it's awesome. I mean, shipping, it came so quickly, shipping was great. So then I added a couple of iridescent pearls here and there, and then this is a flower that I made with that lace. I've been really enjoying making lace flowers. They're really pretty, so I just added like some stuff here and there. I just kind of made it as unique as I could. And then another metal embellishment and another iridescent pearl trim. Another iridescent pearl. And then around the bottom, I added some pearl trim. That's what I wanted to say. So that's pretty much it. That is the birdhouse. I love the way it turned out, like I said. I think it was my first time trying the crackle technique, and I think it looked amazing. I love it. So I'm addicted. And I bought these plastic pillars from the dollar store that I'm going to eventually put this on. So I've got a taller one and a shorter one. That's why I want the two, so that I can put them somewhere. So that is that. And then I've got a couple more creations that I wanted to share. Some flowers that I made. I was just fooling around with all the lace that I had, so I just kind of went crazy and did my own thing. So there's this one with a bunch of pearl cluster in the middle. This one's my favorite. This was the first one that I made. Again, using the this trim right here. And if you guys want to know where I got these laces from, just let me know, and I can put the link down, or I'll put the link down if I find it, or if I don't, let me know, because my brain is scattered these days, sorry. And then there's the last one that I made, a little one with another pearl cluster in the middle. So I'm thinking of adding these too. I bought a ton of wood boxes and a lot of wood things that I want to like alter. So I'll share that in another haul, but I did a lot of shopping this weekend from the dollar store, and so excited to have bought all that stuff. And I did a lot of online shopping, not good, but it was my birthday, so I splurged. So I'm waiting for a lot of goodies to come in, and I'll share them with you for sure. And I think that is it for now. I also made a bunch of like resin cameos For Mold Muse, I have their mold, and I just kind of used Sculpey and baked it, and that's what I was occupying myself with. And I also made little tiles as well, which I will share in a next video out of Sculpey as well, because I don't have the wood tiles, so I decided to make my own. And I bought some stamps from Michael's this weekend, the little inchy stamps, and they're like vintage or perfect, exactly what I was looking for, and made those. So I will do a video right after this one sharing those with you. So yeah, in the meantime, here is a final look at the birdhouse. Please let me know what you guys think. I love hearing your thoughts, and your comments are always much appreciated. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.